The Canon EOS R5 Mark II emerges as a remarkable contender in the realm of action photography, primarily due to its sophisticated autofocus modes tailored for sports photography. This advancement significantly elevates both user experience and performance, allowing photographers to capture fast-moving subjects with exceptional clarity and precision. Moreover, the integration of cutting-edge technology, such as stacked sensors and advanced image upscaling, illustrates the ongoing evolution of mirrorless cameras. These innovations reflect a response to the growing demands of modern photographers, who seek both versatility and superior image quality in their equipment. Shifting focus to Nikon Z63, this model introduces noteworthy upgrades over its predecessor, positioning itself as a formidable option in the mid-range camera segment. Photographers are likely to find appeal in its enhanced features and versatility, which cater to a wide array of photographic styles. The Z6 further impresses with its remarkable burst speeds, capable of firing off up to 60 frames per second at full resolution. This capability significantly enhances its performance in fast-paced shooting situations, allowing photographers to seize fleeting moments with unparalleled effectiveness. In addition to its impressive shooting speed, the Z6 excels in video capabilities, offering 4K recording at 120 frames per second and a 10x slow-motion feature in full HD. Such specifications create a compelling case for content creators pursuing high-quality footage, solidifying the Z6's competitive edge in the video market. On the other hand, the Panasonic LUMIX S52 stands out as a significant competitor, particularly in the video sector. With features like 6K recording and effective image stabilization, it positions itself as a capable alternative for those who require hybrid shooting capabilities, seamlessly blending still photography and videography. Meanwhile, the Z8 impresses with its rapid burst shooting capabilities, reaching speeds of up to 20 frames per second, and even offering an option for 120 FPS at a lower resolution. This performance is particularly advantageous for sports and wildlife photographers aiming to capture action shots in real time. Lastly, the Fujifilm XS20 caters to a diverse audience, appealing to both beginners and advanced users alike. By incorporating user-friendly features while retaining the performance of its predecessors, it presents a versatile choice that can adapt to various photography needs. In terms of video capabilities, the XS20 enhances its offering with 6K internal recording, making it especially appealing for content creators who prioritize high-quality footage. The combination of advanced features and an ergonomic design ultimately ensures ease of use, further solidifying its place in the competitive camera landscape.